How to find ABN AMRO card number. Follow these instructions. Take your physical ABN AMRO card. The 16-digit card number is printed clearly on the front side of your debit or credit card. Log into the ABN AMRO mobile app using your identification method, then go to Cards to view available card details securely. Use internet banking on ABN AMRO's website. Navigate to self-service cards to check your card information safely. If prompted, verify your identity using the ABN AMRO identifier device to access full card details within the online banking system. Open Google Pay, Apple Pay, or another wallet linked with ABN AMRO. It shows the last 4 digits of your registered card number. Review your recent ABN AMRO account statements. Some transaction records display the last digits of your debit or credit card. Thank you for watching.